Hello there! In this episode we are going to compare this home-built liquid stove and this gas stove in extreme low temperature, minus 28 degrees Celsius. It is minus 28 degrees Celsius. And now we are going to test the stove. It's too cold. I don't get any gas. I'm going to see if I can get anything other to work in this temperature. I have this. It's a beer can stove, and I'm going to put some alcohol in it and wait a few minutes so it being cold, and then trying to ignite it. I filled it up too much. Now it's heating. And we are soon going to see if we get some flames from the holes on the outside. If that is a success, then we maybe can heat some water on it. Now it seems to take some fire. It flows alcohol out from the holes, and that can be very dangerous. It's 250 milliliters of water. And it's a lot of ice in this now. Now it's starting to boil. I leave it there so it burns out, so it's really empty. The big issue is that alcohol stoves produce soot, but some alcohol does not, but I haven't found it in the stores nearby. We lost almost 1 deciliter of water. Now I have this stove in the house for about maybe 10 minutes, and it's ice on the outside of it. Now I hear the gas coming out. So I try to ignite the stove. Now it's working, but it's not enough flames to heat water fast. This is a Jerks light from Optimus. I also have a Soto. It's little bigger, but it's also a smaller one. It have a good support for the kettle. This is enough on the Optimus, but if you have bigger kettles, then you need better support. Has an inbuilt igniter. Some comparison between them. And what have we learned today? If you are going to hike in very cold temperatures, below 0 degrees Celsius, you must think, how cold can it be? Is it below minus 10 degrees Celsius? Then you might leave the gas stove at home and take a alcohol stove and use a salt-free alcohol, so you don't need to clean so badly, and it's not so practical to get salt on everything you have when you are out hiking. I can add there is different kinds of stoves, and there is mainly 2 sizes of the canister. This contains 230 grams of gas, and this 450 gram. So it's big difference. I haven't tried this in very cold temperature, but it should be interesting. And maybe trying Soto gas stove. We are going to let the ice melt, and we can see how much water we lost in this Optimus. It seems to be a lot of water in it. It seems that most of the water was that we lost was the ice in the Optimus kettle. About this too, I use the Optimus Crux Lite when I'm hiking, and it's because I have no windshield for the Soto, because it doesn't, the Crux Lite windshield doesn't fit. So it's too wide on the stand for the kettle. I might compare them when it's warm outside. All the ice have finally melted. So now we can see how much water we have left. And it's a little more than 2 deciliter water. So it was more water in the ice than I believed. Please subscribe and push the like button and leave a comment below.